Hi, I already introduced myself. And the worksheet in front of you is called your Target Heart Worksheet, right? And I'm going to go over the top with you because I know you guys haven't gone over this, so I'm just going to read it and then I'm going to tell you what its things are. But then I'll explain why they're important. Your heart is the most important muscle in your body. It is the pump that delivers oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. Your heart is made of a cardiac muscle. It's spelled C-A-R-D-I-A-C. Anyone needs help spelling, please raise your hand. I'll come over. Okay. Like all the muscles, it will become stronger with use. The type of exercise that will strengthen your heart is called FIT. It's spelled F-I-T-T, which you see down there, and I'll explain what it is. As it strengthens, it will become the most powerful pump that pushes blood to your body with each beat. What will happen with your resting heart rate is your heart gets stronger. It actually decreases. To improve and maintain the strength of your heart, it is important to participate in regular exercise. Before the beginning of each exercise program, you should consult a doctor to be sure that you're in good health. Alright. FIT is the thing that's that 1, 2, 3 thing on your form, right below this. It's called frequency, which is basically how many times you exercise per week. The more you exercise, the stronger you get. And then intensity is how hard the exercise is. If you're running, or if you're swimming, which one's harder and how does it make you feel afterwards? Like how sore you are after. Time is at least how long you do it. Like let's say you're running, you could be running for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and depending on how it is, that's what it is. And the last is type, which is jogging, swimming, or bicycling, or basically any exercise that you guys do. Alright, so this is the part I'm going to help you on. It's how to calculate your heart rate. So it already kind of explains on A, it's 220 minus your ages. So like, you guys are just going to do that part real quick. Like basically, since I'm 17, it would be 220 minus 17. Basically, whatever you get is what you're going to put on my. After that, if you guys are done, it should be pretty simple. But then we're going to count your resting heart rate. So you're going to take your 2 fingers and put them above your chin right here. You're going to stay, once you feel your heartbeat, if you don't, just try looking around because it's kind of hard, but it should be under your chin at the top, in the front of your throat. Okay, once you feel it, you're going to count for 10 seconds. I'll count for 10 seconds, but you guys are going to count your heartbeat, and whatever you do, you're going to times it by 6, okay? 10 seconds, you're going to count, and I'm going to count for 10 for them, so they don't have to put it up. So they just time it by 6.
Okay. Well, yeah, okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and stop. And whatever number you got, you're going to times it by 6. This is where you guys are going to use your little calculators on your phone. So the thing you're just going to fill out is literally what you did on the top, but you're going to do it on the bottom. So you see where it says MHR, and that's where your maximum heart rate was, and your RHR was your lowest, like your resting one. You're going to plug that in, like right here, where it says MHR, you're going to put MHR. The number you got there, you're going to plug it in. And then I'll come around to see if you guys get it or not.
Here.
I'm not allowed to record students, so just throw out whatever faces you guys got. Basically, once you do that, you're gonna subtract it. Don't mind the 60 and the 80, they'll come later in the quiz. You're gonna subtract the number, and whatever you get is just put it down with your calculator. After you get that number, you're going to times it by 0.6. So right here, you're going to put that thing, and the answer you get, you're going to put it on the next one, the next line. Bottom, but instead of 0.6, it's going to be 0.5. 0.80, no,
0.85. 0.85.
Yeah. And at the end, you're gonna get your thing, your answer, and then you're just gonna fill it out at the bottom.